Welcome to Bloodstore Stocks. This is NASDAQ. My mission is just to talk about stocks and let the viewers discuss and vote to see if the stocks are buy or sell. Market summary, the one to save us all. Nvidia knocked it out the park with their incredible earnings, saving the NASDAQ and tech stocks from a meltdown, unlike the Dow, which dropped 600 points in one day. Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, increased revenues, profit, and even margin, sending Nvidia up 15%. Target cannot match Walmart's earning report and turned in a bad earnings report, dropping 10% last week. Right now, there's AI and everyone else. Let's see how our last week's stocks did. Not to brag, but I was 2 for 2 last week. Pinduoduo went up 8% last week with good earnings. Per the talking heads, David Tepper have also built a position in the stock. Nvidia, as reported earlier, rose 15% post earnings. Besides this, they're also issuing a dividend and a 1 for 10 stock split. There's even talk of it joining the Dow index. I would hold on to both, Pinduoduo and Nvidia, as I see both of them continue to rise. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor and this is just for entertainment purposes only. Feel free to comment on the stocks we discuss. It's an open forum and discussion. Hopefully you can learn from each other. Comment below with a thumbs up for a buy or a thumbs down for a sell. Let's get into it. Let's talk about this week's stocks. This week it's about Cava and Live Nation. Cava is a fast-growing Mediterranean food stock where they compare themselves to Chipotle. That said, this one is growing fast and strong. It's at a current 52-week high of $82.93. And it has a 52-week low of $29.98. The second stock I want to talk about is Live Nation Entertainment, LYV, the king of selling concert tickets and tickets for live events. Currently, it's at $95.99, and its 52-week high is at $120.82. The drop is from the government issuing an antitrust case against it. Pros: both are showing incredible strength from a price and stock perspective, a chart perspective. Neutral: Cava is at a 52-week high. Will it continue to have the momentum post earnings? Cons: for Live Nation Entertainment, the antitrust case is definitely a weight on its stock. My take on this week's stock is Live Nation can be bought. I believe the antitrust case is just a distraction at best and will take a long time to process. In the meantime, I believe the stock can be bought for a bounce. As for Cava, I believe it's gone up real fast, real strong. Anything short of a Chipotle or a Nvidia-like report might cause it to sell off. For Cava, it might be less risky to wait for earnings announcement before chasing it or trading it. Remember, whether the trade is a win or a loss, at the end of the day, all you have is your own dignity. Have a good trading week. In the words of the great Steve Jobs, one more thing. It's Memorial Day weekend. I want to salute and thank all those who serve in the defense of this great country and in the military. Have a great trading week.